boys and girls, and welcome to Goron Guitar. We have Elaine here with a song called Shine. A very easy song to play. We have only 3 chords and 1 strumming pattern that goes through the entire song. So we love those simple songs. Let's start right away. Capo on the 1st fret. We'll start with the chords. First D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Next chord will be E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Great, so it will be in that order through the entire song: D, E minor, and C. Now let's look at the final thing here, the strumming and how to handle the chords. Since D is the first chord, we'll start and show the strumming with that chord. And one round will sound like this. Alright, so that is down, down, up, clap, down, up. Down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Yeah, so that is the strumming. You will play 3 rounds for D, then 1 round on E minor, and 4 rounds for C. So let's go over one chord progression there. D3, E minor 1, C4. Again, D, 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 E minor, C, 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 C. And that is how you play Elaine's song called Shine. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope to see you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.